Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, I think it is likely the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, it'll make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, eventually taking out the low of wave 4. But on the other hand, it definitely is possible that it's a crutch into this last 5 ways up. If that's the case, then it should make a 1, 2, 3 ABC and then continue the uptrend. Either scenario, you'll have to notice that it makes impulsive down, corrective up, and impulsive down. So either scenario, it's going to form a very similar pattern, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, I'm definitely looking at this as either a wave A or a wave 1. I personally think there is a pretty good chance we're already going out for the wave B or the wave 2. Trading strategy for an A and the 1 is exactly the same. Trading strategy for a B or 2 is exactly the same. So at this point in the pattern, it's definitely not important to know the difference. So going down to the daily time frame, I think that the wave A or 1 ends right here. And I think this is 3 waves up for A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves down for B. I think that we are very likely now at an uptrend, which I think is a wave C. Now this is either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Notice that either scenario it's exactly the same, so it should be exactly the same trading strategy for a wave B or a wave 2. So why would we care to know the difference when it's exactly the same trading strategy for either scenario? So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, you'll notice that we had a break of structure and it's been making higher highs, higher lows ever since. As long as the series of higher highs, higher lows continues, I will definitely be doing nothing at all except for looking for longs on shorter time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty decent little pullback yesterday, but look what happened. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up and through to go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and through to go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down and positive up and through to go long. I think you can guess what I'm doing right now based on my higher time frames. I'm not looking for shorts and I will not be going short. If and when it pulls back, which I don't know if it's going to pull back now, or I don't know if it's going to go up and then pull back later. All I know that is when it does make a pullback, I will be excited and ready to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. As long as the 4 hour time frame continues to make those higher highs, higher lows, I will be doing nothing on these shorter time frames but looking for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.